Hey guys, Easy Amateur Radio here, and today we're going to take a look at another cheap pocket knife. This is the Phantom 7-inch folding knife from Ozark Trail, also known as Walmart. So let's go ahead and get this bad boy out of here. I have not opened this one. This is a fresh open, and there you go. Got a little bit of a drop point on there, and it is, wow, that is a very intense liner lock. So we'll go ahead and close this liner lock. Pretty sweet little knife. It's really, really interesting. We'll go ahead and get the packaging out the way. It says it has ball bearing openings and hinges, but I don't know about that. It's a pretty tight open. It doesn't give you quite the satisfying flick as the Wug Out or the ridge line that you see right there. But this is a 3-inch stainless steel blade, a 4-inch polypropylene handle. A really nice little knife. It's got the liner lock and a pocket clip. I am not the biggest fan of a tip down pocket clip. I just like to be able to come out the pocket and open it. And this one, you got to take it out the pocket like this, flip it around. It is not an ambidextrous pocket clip. Excuse me, having a hard time talking this morning. But it's a pretty neat little knife. Not much to it, not much to say. Let's give it the packaging test, and it's actually pretty sharp. Let's go ahead and put it on the scale, see how much it weighs. Okay, just for reference, there is the Ridgeline, which is my favorite knife out of this bundle, coming in at a whopping 3.4 ounces. Now we'll take the Phantom, we'll close it. That is just a super intense liner lock, man. It is, that knife is not coming open. Okay, let's weigh it. And 2.4 ounces, so pretty much an entire ounce lighter than the Ridgeline, even with the metal. The red metal liners looks pretty slick. Some red washer and accents. This is a cool knife. Not the biggest fan of it like I thought I would be, but it is a nice knife. This is Easy Amateur Radio here with some ham adjacent topics 73.